You like my hat? Probably wondering what the heck is going on. We're right in the midst of a blizzard. Look at this. So what am I doing today? We got this little doohickey here. It's 3D printed. It's designed to lock the back doors on a Model 3. To help me here is my friend Dustin in his Model 3.
You might experience a car wash.
Another one?
No. Push
yeah.
There.
Let's.
It was a little tight for me.
Let's see.
You gotta be a little.
No, man. I got her. She's.
Door's open.
Oh, did I not close my door? Look at that. There you go. Model 3 is a crap car for the winter, right?
Oh no, it's not. I went to Blue Mountain.
Oh no. Oh no.
That doesn't look right.
I'll fix it when I get up.
I know.
So as I said before, we're taking this 3D printed part. We're going to install it on Dustin's car, specifically because we got some cold weather happening. So part of the deal is to make sure that it works properly, and second of all, handle the cold weather. I'm going on vacation, so we're going to leave it in your car for probably, what, a couple weeks? Just to be on the safe side? All right, let's go to Home Depot. Boom, we're good. Home Depot. Who'd have thought at Home Depot you would strike out in the hardware department? We need bolts, we need some nuts, and a couple springs. No luck, gotta try somewhere else. We struck out at Home Depot, so we're gonna go and try out Cambodia Tire here. See if they've got some parts we need. Woo! Slip slide. If you screw up, we've got it all on camera, Dustin.
All right.
All right, let's see here. We need 8s. Yeah, some of those.
Well, I guess. But we have
No, way too big. That's
Really?
Oh yeah. What you need is something small and slinky, skinny like this. But only
With a
about
lot
that
of-
line. A half an inch,
less
2 centimeters.
resistance.
2 centimeters. A little bit slow. All right, let's go. See ya.
Thank you.
All right, so the idea of this thing is that it slips in through the hole like that. It mounts onto these M8 bolts on either side.
Yeah.
Like that, and then we stick this piece on like that. So let me just make sure I got the right thread pitch. Yeah, I got it.
It's gonna work.
Yeah, I got the right thread pitch. So probably good enough for now. Now we're supposed to use a spring, but since we bombed really badly at the hardware store for springs, we're going to use a couple of elastics for now. The elastics are just temporary. I don't think they're going to survive the cold too much. All right, so the idea with this is, this is really clever. All right, so the other part is you peel the sticker off. Note to self, bring reading glasses no matter what I do. Getting old. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, finally. All right, so hold that. And you just take this little stick here and you just kind of stick it like that. Hold it on there. And then there's room here to put a second one on. I want you to test this there for a little bit. But the deal is that you just pull on that. So you pull out and it's unlocked. And you push in and it locks. And what it does is it prevents the lock on the inside from going like that. So I'm going to push this in, so it's locked. So now you should not be able to pull on that. It won't unlock, right?
Nope,
Okay, hold on, stay there. Hold on.
So if I give it a little tug, there we go.
It's unlocked and now it opens?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Brilliant, it works. All right, well, again, the idea with this is to prevent people from putting the seat down, but it doesn't help with the glass being broken.
Yeah.
I mean, we don't really have any issues with that around here, but you never know. So, anyways, it's not a permanent solution. Anyways, we'll try this for a little while, and we'll report back. But I like the design. It's super simple. Just unlock and lock that. So then there's room to put a second one there for the other side of the seat. After I get back from vacation and this cold snap might be over, we'll see how the elastics hold up. Of course, you know, if you find some springs, you know exactly what to do. Let's try it like that for a little bit, okay?
All right.
All right. Sounds good.